Hi guys, welcome back to lalbagh Sparkle. Today we're in the train from Bangalore to Chennai. We're going at 11 in the afternoon, and my mummy is sleeping. See, this is my mummy. I've never introduced her to you. She's a Tamil Nadian. So we're going to Tamil Nadu, and this is my father. You've already seen him, and look at this view. I think you may like this view. So let's see the view now. Is it nice? Tell me, is it nice? Nice? So I've had my breakfast in the train. So see you next time guys. Bye guys. See you in Chennai.